Hi, good evening, class. My name is Brooke Villarruel, and I am part of the class Management 110. For my career of choice, I'm leaning towards human resources, and after taking the Elliott test, a skill I need to improve on is being more organized. Some of the steps I'll be doing to practice organizational behavior will be to focus on different forms of planning. In Chapter 6 from our course book, I learned about the term good goals are SMART goals. I learned that in the word SMART, each letter represents a concept to achieve our goal settings. One of the points that stood out to me the most was the letter S in SMART, which represents specific. Being specific can be crucial when you write down your plans. For example, in our management lab course, as a class, we have been assigned a couple of times to work on team assignments. And from those activities that we have done in our labs, I have learned that we have higher chance of being more productive when we plan our activities with details. Like Chapter 6 mentions, these details can help us determine what, how, where, and when the tasks need to be accomplished. Also, part of planning can consist of structuring efficient outlines. Outlines can help by classifying level of importance to the tasks that need to get done. After reading Chapter 3 of the coursework, I also learned about the term organizational focus. I believe that by implementing this concept when creating a plan, it can allow me to illustrate a picture or an idea of the alternatives to solve any problems and focus on the goals that will decrease the chances of failure. Another step I plan into taking into action to become more organized is setting a timer. During the Elliott test, I was assigned different times to present, and on the first presentation, I lost track of time. And I started working on different tasks and realized I only had 2 minutes to prepare for my speech. After that, I decided that I needed to set a timer and give myself more time to develop ideas and create a plan on what I'll be saying for the following speech. I believe these actions can improve my skills of becoming organized because it can help me stay on task and not feel overwhelmed. Seeing a visual of a written plan and outlines can allow me to set priorities to work on tasks that will be due before others. I can also have control of future actions and see what has worked in the past from previous plans and avoid making the same mistakes and become more resourceful. I will be putting these actions in my daily routines from now on so that they can help me in a school setting and also in a work environment. Taking the Elliott test was challenging. However, I understand how beneficial it is for students to see what our strengths and weaknesses are. In my case, I know that being more organized can be beneficial for future tasks. I'll be working on creating plans and outlines with more specific details of my assignments and using resources such as planners and a timer. I hope that these new strategies can improve my organizational behavior and can help me become a better student and an employee. I would like to thank everyone for watching, and I hope you guys have a good night. Thank you.